Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. And today we are checking out JobCopilot AI. And honestly, if you ever spend an hour applying for job, this tool might save you a lot of time because it can find a job, match your profile, and automatically apply for the job. So let's get started. First, go to your browser and search JobCopilot and open official website. And now we can log in or sign up. JobCopilot doesn't offer a free plan or free trial, so we have to buy a subscription. We have two options, premium and elite, and you can choose one. Just click on try now, and now we can sign up with the Google or Facebook. Now we can sign up by filling all the details here, or you can even continue with the Google. Once you finish your sign up, you can set up your first copilot. So click on first copilot, and then you can set up your configuration. So work location, you can choose remote job or only on-site job. You can add the location. I can choose anywhere in Australia. Next, you have job type. Then you can keep search method, favorite job or apply job, or you can even choose job title keyword, and then you have to put the keywords. Here you can put up to 5 job title. So in my case, I put software developer, web developer, software engineer, project manager, project coordinator. Next one is job match. If you select this and keep this higher, this will apply for the job only if you meet most of the requirement. Now you can choose level. So you can entry associate. You can choose time zone. It also has advanced filters where you can choose your industry, job description, and you can include or exclude the keywords or even the company. Now click on next. So now we have to upload your resume, and after you upload the resume, you can see the cover letter will be generated automatically, or you can even choose your own generic cover letter. Now you can add your personal details like your address, previous job title, notice period, and all other details. After you finish this page, now next final config. Now most important and final part, you have to choose how job copilot work for you. So you can select auto save manual review. If you do that, it doesn't submit application for you. You have to review the job and answer before submitting. This allows you to train your copilot and is highly recommended for new user. And the second one is full auto apply, so you don't have to do anything, it will apply automatically. Now you can even choose a writing style, and now you can see it found 332 matching job in the last 24 hours. And now we can activate the copilot, and to activate now we have to subscribe for the premium. So here you have two option, premium and elite. Weekly doesn't have a discount. If you go with a monthly or quarterly, it has a 40% and 30% discount. And now we can just click on activate copilot. Now you have to put your card details and everything. And now if you have subscribed for the premium, you can see the copilot is created already here. If you want to create a new copilot, you just click on a new copilot. Now go to application. Now you can see it has saved. Now you can see it has saved 50 application. And if I want to apply for any particular job, for example, I want to apply for this job, associate software engineer, and I can review the application by clicking on this. Here, this is job description. Now we can review your application form. So this is my resume. I can tailor my resume. And now you can see it updated my resume. And if I'm happy with everything, I can just submit and next. And it also generated a cover letter for me. Now I can submit and click on next. And now if you want to review everything, you just click on submit and next. And if you don't want to do anything, you just click submit button. It will submit for you, so you don't have to do anything. Now you can go back to application tracker. So go to application again. So in total it apply for 5 jobs. And here, so you apply for backend game developer, junior software developer, front-end game developer, associate software engineer, and another software engineer. It also has some useful tool like resume builder, cover letter builder, job interview role play, career advisor, and others. So that's all for Job Copilot, and honestly, this tool is really useful, especially if you are applying for a lot of jobs. If you want to try this tool, you can use the link I have put in description. and you can get 50% discount. So that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.